Before we dive into the course, let's quickly talk about some prerequisites. As I briefly mentioned at the end of the last segment, this course was specifically designed for web developers, though many professionals from across disciplines will still find this course valuable. You don't need any specific experience as a developer, though general familiarity with web technology, things like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, as well as related tools will certainly come in handy and make this session a lot more valuable to you. At a minimum, you need to be comfortable using a web browser and know how to find their developer tools. You should also have some general exposure to web applications and JavaScript libraries like React or Angular. And last but not least, you should definitely be able to find the command line on your local machine. Finally, you will also need a VIP subscription to HackTheBox, as we'll use their platform of vulnerable web applications to demonstrate our knowledge of hacking theory, as well as becoming more familiar with tools like nmap, gobuster, and Burp Suite. Once you've signed up for HackTheBox, please continue on to the next lecture, where we'll talk about some legal and ethical complications before we get our hands dirty. Excited yet? Let's go!